Come today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first you go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just click here to the ringtone or just tap to the volume section here, and just to mute the ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that you get turned off the volume buttons control here to use the volume buttons to change the ringtone volume. And now by press your down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that, just by press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just manually with your finger swipe down this volume panel. And that's it, that's how to mute ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.